Hello guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is my kitchen view. Di ba ang ganda? Very sunny ngayon. So for today's video, nag-crave ako ng beef caldereta. So magluluto ako ng beef caldereta. Okay, so beef caldereta is a Filipino dish. A type of beef stew cooked with tomato sauce and liver spread. So, ito ay very popular dish sa ating mga Pinoy. And this beef caldereta is served during special occasions. So, let's get started guys. Samahan nyo ako magluto ng beef caldereta. So, the ingredients of my beef caldereta is beef ribs. I marinate it with soy sauce, sugar, chicken concentrated stock, ground pepper, and I added a little bit of white vinegar. And then I have here red and green bell pepper, minced garlic, potato and carrots sliced, white onion finely chopped. Then I have here olive oil, and I want my beef caldereta to have some olives, so I will add. And then, nakabili ako ng liver spread, Reno liver spread, and then, chickpeas. Maglalagay din ako ng chickpeas, tomato paste, and salt and pepper to taste. And then, since I don't have the chicken broth, so I will add this kind of nor beef dense soup. Okay, so let's get started guys. We will cook, or I will cook rather, beef caldereta para sa aming dinner. Okay? Okay, so ready na yung ating pagluluto guys. So, ayan, pinapainit ko na yung ating cooking pot. So, since yung pot ay mainit na siya, let's put some olive oil. So, hintayin lang nating uminit yung mantika. And then, next is saute the onion. So, stir lang natin and let's wait until the onion releases the flavor before adding the minced garlic. Then add the minced garlic. Next step is add the beef. Stir lang natin siya. And let's cook the beef for 5 minutes or until the color turns light brown. Kanina pala binoil ko yung beef. Bago ko siya minarinate, ay binoil ko muna siya kasi frozen na binili ko, hindi siya fresh. So, binoil ko muna yung beef para matanggal yung kaniyang bula-bula. So, now, yung beef natin ay, yung beef ay hindi na siya pag niluto mo ito, hindi na siya, alam mo yon, makikita mo yung mga bula-bula. So, ganun ang ginagawa ko kapag nagluluto talaga ako ng meat. Ibo-boil ko muna siya bago ko siya lutuin. And then, itatapon ko, of course, yung ganyang tubig. So, makikita mo doon, marami siyang bula-bula. So, okay na yung beef, guys. I forgot kanina yung bay leaves sa aking ingredients. Maglalagay ako ng bay leaves. Ayan. And then, I will add the liver spread. Ilalagay din yung liver spread. Ilalagay ko na lang siya lahat. Then next is the tomato paste. So ilalagay ko lahat yung maliit na tomato paste. So this is 170 grams. Since hindi chicken broth yung aking gagamitin, maglalagay ako ng water. So, ayan. Medyo damihan natin ng ilalagay ko yung beef denso. So, I will cook the beef until it becomes tender. Okay, so, cover muna natin siya at lutuin natin hanggang siya ay lumambot. So, stay tuned, guys! Okay, so guys, i-check ko yung aking kaldereta. Ayan siya. So, madami-dami pa siyang tubig. Okay. Hindi pa siya ganun ka-tender. Normally, pag nagluluto ako ng beef kaldereta or beef stew, 2 hours ko siyang niluluto para malambot talaga siya. So, this is not my first time to cook beef caldereta for my employer. So, maybe this is third or fourth time already. Okay? So, kung ano yung crave ng cheche, pag nag-crave ako ng Filipino food, yun din ang kakainin nila. So, takpan ulit natin ang aking beef caldereta. So, stay tuned, guys. I-update ko kayo sa aking nilulutong beef caldereta. Okay, so i-check ko ulit yung aking caldereta. Lambot na ba siya? Okay, so ayun, guys. Pwede na siya. I will add the potato and the carrot. Then, I will cook the potato and the carrots for another 8 minutes. So, takpan natin and then simmer. Okay, guys. So, let's check it out. Kung naluto na yung ating patatas at saka carrots. So, malambot naman na. Now, I will add the chickpeas. So, ibubuhos ko na yung chickpeas. Tinanggal ko yung tubig niya. And then, the bell pepper, green and red. Yung green olives. So, here and I will continue cooking for maybe another 5 minutes. Ayan, another 5 minutes na lulutuin ko yung beef caldereta. So, stay tuned! Green and red pepper. Now I will add the salt and ground pepper. Lalagay ako nito. Ground pepper. Then salt. So the amount of salt is according to your taste. And you can also add hot chili. Ayan. Hot chili. Optional lang ito guys. If you want to add hot chili or pepper flakes, pwede naman siya. Kasi masarap din yung a little bit spicy. So, tingnan natin siya guys. Kung pasok na sa panlasa yung salt, okay na siya. Okay na. So, napaka-tender nung meat guys. Although, hindi ako gumamit ng pressure cooker. So, I use the traditional way. Kaya, very tender yung meat. So, if you really like your meat to be really very tender, cook the stew low and slow for approximately 2 hours. Sabi ko nga, 2 hours. Kapag nagluluto talaga ako ng beef, 2 hours. Hindi ako gumagamit ng pressure cooker. So, yung pressure cooker uses hot steam, di ba? Yung pressure to quickly cook food. Kaya minsan, yung lasa ng food, hindi siya ganun kasarap. Kasi, napilit siya na lumambot eh. Kapag gumamit ka ng tinatawag na the traditional way of pagpapalambot ng meat, so, napakasarap ng lasa niya. O, diba? Kaya, ganun din sa pag-ibig. Ayan, humuhugot na si Inday. Huwag masyadong, pressure. Kasi, ang kalalabasan ay hindi siya masarap. Pero kapag, talagang pinapahinog mo yun, masarap ang outcome. O, diba? Kaya yung beef caldereta ko, sabaw pa lang, ulam na. Saan pa kayo dyan, guys? Okay, so this is my beef caldereta, guys. Ayan, napaka-colorful niya. And, of course, yummylicious. Yup. Ayan. So, we're about to eat. And it's nice to serve this beef caldereta with rice. Diba? Thanks for watching guys! Kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe sa aking YouTube channel, consider subscribing and click the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa aking mga cooking videos. Thank you and God bless everyone! Thanks for watching! Bye!